Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to edit your bookmarks in Google Chrome on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Whether you want to change the name of a bookmark or update its URL, these steps will help you keep your bookmarks organized and relevant. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have it up and running. Once you're in Chrome, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Next, click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. This will reveal more options for managing your bookmarks. Now, select Show All Bookmarks. This action opens up a new window where you can see all the bookmarks you've saved. It's like a treasure chest of your favorite sites. Once you have your bookmarks displayed, find the bookmark you want to edit. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. If you have many bookmarks saved, when you've located the bookmark, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options. Here, select Edit. This allows you to make changes to the bookmark. Now comes the fun part. You can make your changes, whether it's updating the name or changing the URL to reflect a new link. Once you're satisfied with your edits, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial to ensure that your changes are applied. And there you have it. Editing bookmarks in Google Chrome is straightforward and can be done in just a few clicks. Keeping your bookmarks updated helps streamline your browsing experience and ensures that you can easily access your favorite sites. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!